Here's a flood video, checking again how close it's getting to the electrical here at Cedar Point Campground. And when we've looked at this before, we've been measuring it based on these horseshoes. And we have this final horseshoe almost underwater. Up right over there on that hill is where we're at. We're still pretty safe and not worried, but this horseshoe pit is just covered up, and this road here just almost looks like a boat ramp or something. But just keeping you posted on the flooding here at Milford Lake. This morning in my devotions, it was Proverbs 16:9. We make our plans, but God directs our steps. And so as we prepare for camp, we're looking at our mission of raising up, sharpening, and launching servant leaders into the world for God's glory. And we're looking at our values and why we're here. And we realize even with the flooding, we can live out that value. God bless you. Have a great day.